Hey Class 10 champions, let's crack Class 10th PYQ problem together, fast and simple. Stay with me till the end and don't forget to comment your method too. Alright, here's the question. A girl first goes 200 meters east, then 150 meters north. We need to find her shortest distance from the starting point. Think carefully before jumping to an answer. This is a direct Pythagoras theorem problem. Let A be the starting point of the girl. AB is the distance of 200 meters covered by her towards east. BC is the distance of 150 meters covered by her towards north, so C is her endpoint. Clearly, we have a right-angled triangle, with AB equal to 200 meters and BC equal to 150 meters. AC will be the distance from the starting point. Now, distance of the girl from the starting point is AC. Therefore, AC equals the square root of AB squared plus BC squared. Using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. Substituting values, root of 200 squared plus 150 squared. That is root of 40,000 plus 22,500. That equals root of 62,500, which simplifies to 250. So the correct answer is 250 meters. Option B. Now tell me, can you solve this in a simpler way? Comment your method below.